Have you ever heard of the phrase, save the drama for your mama? Well, it seems that family members and relatives often save the fighting and the drama for the probate judge. The fighting that goes on in the probate court between family members often could have, should have, and can be avoided. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips that can assist you in avoiding the fighting and the feuding in the probate court. Hello again, this is certified probate real estate specialist Daryl Williams here in Southern California. On this program, we assist personal representatives and attorneys with real property that's going through the probate process. So if you're new here and you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Family fighting and feuding are often the biggest emotional, financial, and time-consuming threats to settling a loved one's estate. These fights cost time and money, and often your beneficiaries are the biggest losers in these cases. Experience has shown that beneficiaries fight over things like mom's and dad's personal property, such as cars, painting, furniture, jewelry, etc. If your kids don't get along with each other right now, when you pass, that's going to crank up 10 times. So if you want to preempt the fighting and the drama, you need to implement some fighting prevention strategies right now while you are still of sound mind and of good health. Here are 3 tips that you could use right now to prevent or reduce your beneficiaries from fussing and fighting over your estate. Tip number 1, call a family meeting. If your family is separated in different towns and or states and you can't get together personally, use Zoom, use Google Hangouts. Do what it takes to get everybody together at one time and clearly articulate your desires. If you do this, this will help preempt some of the fighting and the drama. And if possible, record that meeting. Tip number 2. Think long and deeply about who you would like to place in charge of settling your estate, for this is a major area of contention. Know that if you choose the wrong person, the feuding, the fighting, and the drama is inevitable. Tip number 3, you must do some type of estate planning, like prepare a simple will. You can prepare a handwritten will. It's called the holographic will, and it is valid in the probate court once it's been proven. In that will, spell out clearly the personal property items you would like to leave to each one of your beneficiaries and or heirs. Better yet, have a revocable living trust drafted and funded. And once that's done, you put that living trust and or that will in a secure location until you pass away. As you've heard before, failure to plan is actually planning to fail. Even deathbed estate planning is better than no planning at all. Recognize and anticipate the challenges your estate will likely face and take action now to prevent the fighting and the feuding from happening. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. Thanks again for watching Win-Win Realtors TV. I'm Daryl Williams, and I'll see you in the next video. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not intended to be legal advice. If you need legal advice, please contact an attorney. If you do not know an estate planning attorney and you need a referral, you could contact me.